Hello, water signs. This is a general reading for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. It's not date specific, and it's a reading about messages from the universe. Take it if it resonates, leave it if not. Let's begin. Angels, archangels, gods and goddesses, spirits of nature. Please show me the messages that you have for water signs. Please show me the messages that you have for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They're very difficult to shuffle. What's up, water signs? How are you feeling? Please show me the messages that you have for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ooh, Cancer. How are you feeling, Cancer? Are you well? Breathe deep, please. Eat healthy. Eat a little. Yes. Let's see. Future as well. No. Okay. Let's see. Let's clarify the messages. Angels, archangels, gods and goddesses, spirits of nature. Please show me and clarify the messages that you have for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please clarify the messages that you have for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, the overall energy for water signs. It's the Star. It feels this is an Aquarius card, but the water makes it around here, makes it a water sign, a water card sign as well. It's clarified by the marriage card. Okay, your overall energy. Tells you to pay attention to your emotions, to your wish fulfillment, because it will happen. The marriage card signifies contracts being resolved, or certain emotions settling, making themselves appear more soft, more calm. Yeah. I'm not sure where do you live, but I'm gonna ask you to pay attention to the animals that you see. Animals are messages from the universe. So check online what certain animals represent. If you see a bumblebee, if you see um, a dog, or cats, or I don't know, exotic animals. I don't know where you actually live, but check check on the internet to see what the universe wants you to know, and I'm sure it will have a message for you, an important clarified message. Yeah. And be with faith, be hopeful. It will all be resolved in its due time, in divine timing. The star is a very good card to have, especially as an overall energy. It's a major arcana. That means that it's a milestone for you. It's you you succeeded in accomplishing your dreams. You're satisfied. I'm sure, water sign, you feel well. In the past, you have Queen of Swords. Can be represented by an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And it's clarified by a journey. You have the boat in here. You have everything, even a sleeping bag or a yoga mat. Why not? Yeah. You have your puppy here. It's a bird. Not sure what bird, because it kind of looks like a bat. Anyway, I love these cards. They're so beautiful, so psychedelic. Let's see. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, she's clear-minded. She reached a high moment of period of transformation. She has the butterflies in here on her root chakra and her crown chakra. She has one thought, one message of kindness, of love, of clarity towards the world. Or it's either you, or it's an idea that you have. Swords are thoughts. You want to change. You want to be to live a simpler life. To make to be able to make from a simple life a life of filled with love, with compassion, with creativity, with understanding. Yeah, it's a new episode in your life. I think this is you. And if not, this person, this Queen of Swords, this air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, could represent someone important that could lead you to have your wishes granted. The star, yes. The Queen of Swords is the star. She lights up your way. Beautiful. In the present moment, you have Ace of Swords, clarified by short illness. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is it's a place, it's a thought granted by the universe, by the divine, so you can flourish, you can obtain whatever you want. It's a divine a divine power. I think you feel a little bit scared. The short illness could show a fear of new, a fear, an excitement of new, and the short illness is shedding new, old ideas through weak immune system. But you revive in a more beautiful way, in a more rich way. You have to make your body strong. Sometimes you have to go through some illness, some unease, medical unease. Stay strong. You got it. I know you got it, water signs. Be both in your mind and in your heart. That's your heart. It's your place to be, but you're thinking about it, and it's good to be scared. It is what it is, but have faith that everything will come to light. Okay. In the future, you have the High Priestess, clarified by high honors. See? I hope you see it. The High Priestess, she could be represented by Pisces, and she's highly spiritual. She's the shaman and the priestess of the zodiac sign and of the tarot cards. She has she learns what she learns from the night. She gives throughout the day. She has her emotions in line. She has a great knowledge of herself and of certain important social rules for the world to be better. She's not controlling. She's acting upon her judgment, and she's doing it in a beautiful, very majestic way. She bears fruits to all ideas, and she does it in an elegant, mysterious way. I think water signs, I think this is a good week to think about a week, or it's not really date specific. Whenever you see this message, and if it resonates with you, please take it. I think you have a new idea, a new way of doing things. I think it's something that you thought about when you were a child, but how the society worked, it seemed like it wasn't the right time. Like it was never the right time to pursue that special dream of yours. I think now it might be. So please have faith in yourself. Have faith in the divine that it will help you. And let's see what the angels have in store for you. Angels, archangels, gods and goddesses. I don't. Two fell down, but I'm not gonna take them. So, angels, archangels, gods and goddesses, spirits of nature. Please show me the messages that you have for water signs. Please show me the messages that you have for water signs. You got two, my lovely water signs. You got freedom and signs. Freedom to pursue your dreams and work with the signs of the universe to make your dreams come true. You have the freedom right now. Please think that you have the freedom. You have everything necessary for you to become whatever you wish to be. Have faith in yourself. The universe is here to grant your every wish. And remember, what you get, it's not necessarily what you want, but it's what you need. Thank you, water signs. I hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope this was a little message that reached the persons that needed the most. And stay safe. Bye.